A sudden power outage in a factory can halt production instantly, causing delayed orders and rapidly escalating losses. Rising electricity costs continue to erode corporate profit margins. Energy costs and improving energy independence have therefore become essential for factory development. SAN is commercial and industrial energy storage system powered by high-performance battery modules and an intelligent BMS. Delivers stable energy storage and smart energy management. It has already established partnerships with many enterprise users. The system uses liquid cooling and a multi-layer safety protection designed to ensure long-term stable operation. Its BMS enables real-time monitoring and efficient energy utilization, while the modular architecture supports flexible expansion. In addition, the high reliability of the battery cells ensures a consistent and stable energy supply. The system charges during off-peak hours and discharges during peak demand periods. Through intelligent dispatch and optimization, it effectively reduces electricity costs while maximizing long-term revenue and improving overall profit margins. During a power outage, it switches over within milliseconds to keep production running. Even with grid fluctuations, operations remain stable and secure. SAN is energy storage system helps enterprises reduce energy costs, enhance power supply stability, and secure long-term reliable energy supply. Contact us today to start your energy upgrade.